Hello, Hampton Roads Christian music fans. I am Surfer Meg, and this is another Sunrise Soundwave update. Have you got your VIP tickets yet? Now don't panic, there are still some available at itickets.com. Go there now, get them. The festival is free, but if you want an up-close and personal experience, get your meet and greet tickets at itickets.com. Don't be a squinter! Be in the event! Also, in case you've missed it, this year the Sunrise Music Festival is offering a scholarship in honor of the extraordinary life of Mark Rodriguez. Go to our website, www.sunrisemusicfestival.com, that's Sunrise, S-O-N, risemusicfestival.com, and see how you can get in on that. And don't forget to drop in and ride with us for the pre-show dance party with DJ P-Dog. It is going to be wicked sick. I am so stoked. Bring your beach balls and let's partay. The Sunrise Music Festival this year is June 12th to 14th. We are going to be totally going off here at 31st Street in Virginia Beach. Are you with us? Hey, that's all I've got for this Sunrise Soundwave update. Until next time, hang 10 and praise him.